Have you ever noticed how one simple natural spice can quietly make plants look healthier and stronger? It almost feels like nature is protecting them from the inside. Today, I'll show you an easy turmeric fertilizer that helps support healthy growth, stronger roots, lush flowering, and helps discourage fungus gnats. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it into 1 liter of warm water, not hotter than 60 degrees Celsius. Stir well until the turmeric is fully mixed. Turmeric contains beneficial minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. It also contains natural compounds that may help suppress harmful microorganisms in the soil and make conditions less favorable for some soil pests. Allow the mixture to cool completely, then strain it. Water only moist soil around the base of your plants. This natural feed supports stronger roots, healthier leaves, and improved flowering. It works well for orchids, violets, geraniums, flowering plants, indoor plants, vegetables, and many other potted plants. To help discourage fungus gnats, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder evenly over the surface of an average-sized pot and gently mix it into the top layer of soil. If possible, cover it with a thin layer of fresh potting mix. Repeat this fertilizer once every 3 to 4 weeks for healthier, stronger plants. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.